I lost a nut. It's rolling around here on the floor somewhere. No, it's not me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, that's right, going to get the car out. Going to get that bumper on the car, okay? Then we need to get the tires on. Do you know why? That's right, race weekend coming up. That's right. Might be a slight chance that we're going to be trying going to test and tune on Saturday. Got a slight chance of snow Friday. So depends how much we get. Probably going to determine if we're going to go testing on Saturday or not. If not testing on Saturday, we'll be going to Mocan on Sunday because the weather looks great. Believe it or not, we're going to be having snow here on Friday, and it's like 64, 65 on Sunday. Crazy, crazy weather that we have here. But anyway, what I'm going to try to do is get that car ready. I still have the alcohol, not the alcohol, but I still have the gas carburetor on it. So I need to get that taken off, get the alcohol carburetor on it, get the fuel out of the tank, replace it with methanol, get the front bumper on, replace the tires, get everything back in the trailer here. Of course, we're going to test fire it, just make sure everything is good. So that's what we're going to try to do, get ready for this coming weekend up. So anyway, hey, I want to appreciate everyone that's watching my channel here, and especially this video. If you could, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you anything. If anything, it's going to help my channel grow, and grow what I need is what I need right now. But with that, hit the subscribe button, hit that little bell, and let you know when to get a new video. On with the video. Yeah, I did make it down to the Thunder Valley. I heard they had a great time, but it was only one day. 2 races, 1 day. And, man, congrats on the winners. Wish I'd have gone, but just wasn't feeling for that weekend. So anyway, with that, let's go ahead and get this trailer moved out so I get the car out and start the swap of the carburetors, the tires, and the new bumper put on. I was calling it new, just painted it. So anyway, it's new to me. So anyway, let's get started. Okay, got the trailer out. Got the car sitting here. No nose on it. To get all that stuff on. So yeah, let's get the snows on. Should go on pretty easy. Came off pretty easy. So anyway, fuel out. Just get the gas out. Fuel out of the fuel cell. Now there's still going to be some fuel in the fuel lines in the pump and all that stuff, but we're going to have more methanol in there, so after we get it mixed in there, it's not going to matter that much. Time we get going down the track, elimination, all that fuel is going to be gone anyway. We'll have pretty much all methanol through the system. So next thing to do is go ahead and get the carburetor taken off, get the methanol carb on, and get some fuel in here, and we'll get test fired up and see how it goes. So let's get started with that. And just like that, carburetor swapped. So next, get fuel in there, which I still have some left over from last year. But anyway, we'll get the fuel in it, check for leaks, get it started, and hopefully she'll run. What's your thoughts? Okay, here we go. It's a good sign. This. Need this for that. It's cold. Okay, Pop's got some brake cleaner. Going to turn the pump on, crank the car over, hit the ignition, and see if this thing starts up for the first time this year on alcohol. So here we go. Wish me luck. Okay, I think the reason why it started up so quick is we still had gas in the lines, so it ignited it very quick. So that's why we didn't have to use the spray, or as much spray. Anyway, had just a few leaks. I went through the carburetor. I have a video up there. Go ahead and click on it. Anyway, I went through the carburetor right before, after in the racing season, got it all cleaned up, so I replaced all the gaskets. And it was just leaking on these bowls. So I turned these things a good half turn. So we're going to do next, go ahead and fire it back up, test for the leaks, or check for leaks, and make sure we don't have any leaks. Then, if that looks good, then we'll go ahead and get the nose put on. So until then, let's get this thing started and check for leaks. No, I need more hands. I'm doing the GoPro plus this. So anyway, here we go. Hopefully it works. Okay, take 3. Hopefully got the leak fixed this time. Here we go. Wet. Well, carburetor's off. Got it in here. Trying to debug why it's leaking. Any suggestions?
Get the light hitting on that right there and tell me what you see.
I see a little indentation there, don't we? Let me flatten that down a little bit. Huh. Okay, take 4, isn't it? All new gaskets. New. Okay, here we go. Is it full?
Go ahead.
Okay, well, we wasted a lot of time.
But the front was dry.
Okay, cool. We replaced all the gaskets back on the carburetor. What we forgot to check is this guy right here. This is actually loose. So anyway, it's not leaking on the front anymore. The back is still leaking, so guess what? Carburetor comes back off, just enough to get that thing tight, and we'll put it right back on. So this would be a quick little fix here. Okay, we tightened up the back one back here. So front one I think is not leaking anymore. We'll check the back one here. And if that tests out, we can get that guy on. So one more time. Fire and hold. Oh, alcohol. God.
Huh? Yeah, nothing like gas.
No. One thing about alcohol, if you're not used to it, and it starts to burn your eyes just a little bit. Other than that, all the leaks are taken care of. So the next thing we can do is try to get the front bumper on and got the tires to get on, and we'll get it loaded. Hope we'll be testing Saturday. Not sure yet. Like I said, chance of snow Friday night. Might not be any racing Saturday, but definitely Sunday's gonna be a beautiful day. So, okay, get this off here. I don't know where that goes. Yeah, just a pump or two. Okay. Thank you. What's the word? I lost a nut. It's rolling around here on the floor somewhere. No, it's not me. Here we go. Now we got it all on. Tell you what, for a rattle can paint for the front bumper, I think it came out pretty nice. You know, you can see somewhat of a reflection in it. So, it's just a race car, right? So, just got to get the hood on. Tires, you already saw me put those on anyway. Looks so much better. We are about ready to go racing. Yes? Okay, he gave us a thumbs up. Anyway, get the hood on, get it in the trailer. Evening's almost here. It's 5:30. Next weekend, actually this coming weekend, daylight saving time's changed, so we'll get an extra hour in the evening to do more stuff. So anyway, get to it. Okay, got the power on. In the trailer we go. It's almost 6. Nope. Oh. Okay, let's get some gas. That was it.
Man, that looks nice coming up here.
Yeah. Sun's almost down. Okay, let's get the truck started up. Let's back this thing up. Call it a day. Should I turn the truck off to save gas? Should I turn the truck off to save gas? Probably not. Okay, guys. We got the car all ready to go. Like I said, it's back in its home. One more look. I am still impressed how that front end came out. I am just, wow. That's what it needed. So anyway, car's all back in. It's ready to go. You heard it start. Only thing we got to do next is do a lot of maintenance inside the trailer. Got all the cabinets, all the tools back. I got tons of tools laying around. So we need to get the trailer ready to go racing this weekend. Like I said, it's going to be really iffy. We're going to be going test and tune Saturday. If not, then definitely we'll have plenty of time to get all this stuff ready. But I'm planning on doing test and tune Saturday. But other than that, we're done getting the car ready to go racing this coming weekend. So definitely Sunday, we are going to be racing up in Mocan. So anyway, sure hope you do like what you see. If you do like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's not going to cost you anything. If anything, it's going to help my channel grow, and grow is what I need right now. So with that, I'm out of here, and stay tuned for some more racing videos coming up here. So with that, see you next time.